Tofu steaks are a great alternative to meat substitutes, and typically they're a little bit less processed. To make the marinade, include 1/8 of a cup of soy sauce, 1/8 of a cup of canola oil, and 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Cut the tofu steaks about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. Dip the tofu steaks and marinate on each side. Place in a 4 or more cup bowl. You may want to flip the bowl a couple times to marinate them further. Cook in a skillet or in an air fryer. And for the fryer, you may want to cook at 350 degrees for 10 minutes on each side until they're crispy on the outside. If you'd like to venture into making your own tofu, cook soybeans and then blend in a food processor until it's relatively smooth. Form to desired shape, which could be a block using a tofu press, strips, or a base for an open sandwich. Bake or air fry for about 10 minutes, which will make the outside crispy and help hold its shape. This can be eaten as is or marinated and cooked again for just a few minutes.